How to enable or disable haptic feedback on Android phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable haptic feedback on Android phone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And now here once you're inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on sound and vibration. And now here in this section, if you scroll down, then there you'll see the option labeled as haptic feedback. So here to enable this option, you just have to toggle this option. And now here to disable this option, you just have to toggle it off. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.